so this is going to be the alto xylophone part for our auditions for I Like to Move It, Move It. I'm going to go a little slower this time so that you can see how my hands are moving and have a little bit of practice. So you see how my hands are on the D, the C, and the A. Those are the only notes we have. So it goes D, D, C, A, C, A, C, D. Now, I'm gonna count you in, and then you can practice with me a little slower. Now you remember the hardest part is gonna be switching down to the C, and then your left hand is gonna stay stationary on the A, okay? So I'm gonna count you in nice and slow. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, and if that is still too fast for you, go even slower. And then work your way up until you're going faster. Here's a slower practice one. 1, 2, ready, go. And you can play that as many times as you need to until you get the hang of the hand movement.